Hi, my name is Eric Gervais. I'm the sales manager at Cargus Systems in the business solutions unit that sells Microsoft products. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the integration and relationship between Sales Navigator, which is a prospecting tool and a subscription product from LinkedIn, as well as Dynamics 365, which is a CRM tool from Microsoft. So, as you're probably well aware, um, LinkedIn is a social networking site for professionals. We're able to keep track of the people that you interact with professionally and see all the different people that they're connected to so you can get introduced to others and continue to expand your business network. LinkedIn has a more premium product, so this is the free product. LinkedIn has a more premium product called Sales Navigator, mostly for sales and customer management, that allows you to take it to the next step, extend your network to the entire network of, of LinkedIn and learn more about people so you can follow people and see different news about the company for the different leads that you're following. So anytime they interact on LinkedIn, it'll pop up in your feed there. But the other thing that you can do is now follow and create leads for people that don't even exist in your direct network. So you can see who's working for different companies within your ideal client profile. So that's part of what LinkedIn allows you to do. But then the other thing it allows you to do is really kind of search pretty powerfully. So you go to this advanced search. So I'm going to look for accounts. So I'm trying to find customers and companies that match the criteria that I want to prospect against. So I want technologies used. So we're a Microsoft company, so I want to find people who have Microsoft. We'll say Azure or CRM in their profile somewhere, and I want headcount growth year over year of at least 6%, so on and so forth. And I can start searching for customers with different criteria. So that's what Sales Navigator does. So you can start building lists of potential prospects inside of Sales Navigator to both reach out to, get to know better, and also to follow interactions and things going on at those businesses that are in your ideal client profile. So then from there, LinkedIn Sales Navigator becomes a great tool for marketing and sales directly from LinkedIn, but you can also use it directly inside of Dynamics 365. So if I go into, I'm starting my day and I want to make my phone calls for the day as a salesperson, I can go into this profile. So I'm going to start with this Antoine Woodard here. I'm going to open up that profile inside of CRM. So standardly in CRM, it's got all the information I need to know about Antoine right here, his email address, any other communications I've had with him in the past, directly there, what stage in the sales process I am with him. So those are kind of the basics that any CRM would have. But I also want to kind of get in touch with them. So I want to think about, okay, so I'll do a little bit of research before I get on the call. So I'm going to go to this LinkedIn member profile. And this is part of the integration with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So when I go into this LinkedIn member profile, it's going to load up information directly from LinkedIn about Antoine. So I'm going to see Antoine's an account manager at Cargus Systems here. He used to be at Abarta Coca-Cola, and he's got 44 shared connections with me. So here are some of those shared connections. I want to see who those people are that we know, that each of us know. I can open that up and see all the shared connections that we have and go directly to his profile on Sales Navigator. Or if I want to see other things he's posting about. So some of the things he's done recently, talking about new video, differences between Microsoft CRM, Sage Intacct article he posted on LinkedIn. So before I get on the phone with him, I can know that he's been talking about these different things and have some relevance to talk to him about there. And if I wasn't already connected with Antoine, I could go to this Get Introduced tab and see all the different people that I know that also know Antoine that would be able to introduce me to him. So I can roll through this list and pick somebody. And if I wanted to go to Corey Grimm, who works in our team, and say, hey, Corey, can you introduce me? It'll take me directly out to Corey's profile and allow me to make that request. So yet another way. And then finally, related leads here in the LinkedIn member profile. This will try and see other people like Antoine that meet my sales preferences in Sales Navigator. And for this one, there isn't any suggestions, but here there might be 3 or 4 suggestions for you when you go in. And then making the next step, so the next part of the integration is the LinkedIn company profile. So this is a way not to focus on the individual, but to focus on the company itself. It's saying, is Carga Systems the right company? And it is. So I'm going to say that's a match. So the first thing it's going to do is it's going to give me recommended leads based on my sales preferences. Again, there's not really anything there. It's going to show me other connections at Carga Systems. So it looks like I'm a first degree connection with Alex and Tom and all these people here. So I can go through the list of all my first degree connections and see other people I might know at Cargis. I can also go through second degree connections of people who it might make sense to get in touch with, other people. And finally, some more secondary connections that aren't connected to other people in my team. So give you some recommendations there. And the last one is news. So again, just like you were at the individual level, we can look at all the different things that Carga Systems is posting about inside of CRM or in LinkedIn to promote their business, different things that's going on with the business, and see what they care about before you call on them. So all of these things happen within the CRM interface. I can go right back out to the summary, which is all the information about Antoine. Make my phone call now that I'm educated and got all the information I needed to, all from one place. So it makes a really efficient sales process and makes it easy to make an educated phone call to the prospect before you get online with them.